What's good, guys? Today we're going to make something different. I'm feeling like in that house type of vibe, so we're going to make a KAYTRANADA type beat from scratch inside of FL Studio. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Other than that, let's just dive right into it. I think I want to start off with the drums. Let's just load up a couple of sounds. For these KAYTRANADA type beats, you want to turn up the swing as well. It creates like a little bit more groove and off the grid vibe. I might change out the kick. I just clone this and reverse. Oh yeah, that's much better. I like this kick, but I don't like that high sound in it. So maybe we can take that out. And right here, let's add some kickstart on this to make it move. And that could be nice to add in there. And right here, reverse it. Now we're getting there. Yeah, that's what we need. Shit. Hey. And right now, let's kickstart on this. That's what we need. Add some more bass in there. EQ. Let's pitch it. Let's add a vocal in there. Maybe change out the bell sound because I feel like it doesn't fit the vibe. add this loop right here. That's hard. I like it. I like it. Add an extra clap in there. Bro, that's hard. That's hard. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. This tutorial showed you how to make like a KAYTRANADA type beat from scratch, all inside of FL Studio. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SCONABeats, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.